Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to talk about epithelium. So let's start topic with introduction. Epithelium is one of the four basic types of tissue in the human body, others being connective tissue, muscular tissue and nervous tissue. It forms continuous sheet of cells that cover surfaces, line cavities and form glands. Epithelium serves as a barrier, protective covering and also participate in absorption, secretion and sensation. Definition of epithelium. Epithelium is sheet of closely packed cells with minimal intracellular material that cover the external surface of body, lining internal cavities and tubes, and forming secretory portion of glands. General characteristics of epithelium. First is its cellularity, as epithelium composed almost entirely of tightly packed cells with little extracellular matrix. Second characteristic is polarity, as cells have distinct surfaces like apical surface, that is free surface, lateral surface that is present between cells, and basal surface that is attached to basement membrane. Third characteristic is basement membrane, as epithelium is non-cellular layer of proteins that anchors epithelium to underlying connective tissue, that is called as basement membrane. Fourth characteristic is avascular, as epithelium lacks blood vessels, nutrients and oxygen diffuse from underlying connective tissue. Fifth characteristic is regeneration, as epithelium have high capacity for renewal due to rapid cell division. Classification of epithelium. They are classified based on number of cell layers, and based on number of cell layers there are simple epithelium and stratified epithelium. Simple epithelium is type of epithelium which has single layer of cells, and this type of epithelium function is absorption, secretion and filtration. Second type of epithelium is stratified epithelium, that is multiple layers of cells in there, and its function is protection. Third type is pseudo-stratified epithelium. That is type of epithelium that appear multi-layered due to nuclei at different levels, but all cells rest on the basement membranes, which is single layer of cells. Now we will also classify epithelium based on cell shape. Based on cell shape, they may be squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, or columnar epithelium. In squamous epithelium, cells are flat and thin cells. In cuboidal epithelium, the cells are cube-like cells with round nuclei. In columnar epithelium, cells are tall, rectangular cells with elongated nuclei. Types of epithelium include simple epithelium, stratified epithelium, and pseudo-stratified epithelium, and also transition epithelium, that is also called as urothelium. First type is simple epithelium. Simple epithelium is further divided into simple squamous epithelium, simple cuboidal epithelium, and simple columnar epithelium. Simple squamous epithelium is basically epithelium that contains single layer of flat cells. It is located in the lining of alveoli, blood vessels, and serous membranes. Its function is diffusion, filtration, and secretion. Second type of epithelium is simple cuboidal epithelium, that is composed of single layer of cells that are cube shaped. They are located in the kidney tubules, thyroid follicles, and gland ducts. Their function is secretion and absorption. Third type of simple epithelium is simple columnar epithelium, that is basically composed of single layer of tall cells that may have microvilli or cilia. They are located in the lining of stomach, intestine, gallbladder, uterine tubes. Their function is absorption, secretion, and movement of substances. Second type of epithelium is stratified epithelium, and it is further divided into stratified squamous epithelium, stratified cuboidal epithelium, and stratified columnar epithelium. Stratified squamous epithelium may be keratinized or non-keratinized. Keratinized stratified squamous epithelium is present in the epidermis of skin, and it provides protection against mechanical stress and dehydration. While stratified squamous epithelium is non-keratinized, it is present in oral cavity, esophagus, and vagina, and it provides protection but remains moist. Second type of stratified epithelium is stratified cuboidal epithelium, that is located at large ducts of sweat gland and mammary gland and salivary gland. Their function is protection and limited secretion. Third type is stratified columnar epithelium, that is located at the male urethra region, conjunctiva region, and large gland ducts. Their function is to protection and secretion. Next type of epithelium is pseudo-stratified epithelium. This is type of epithelium that appear multi-layered but all cells touch the basement membrane and it is often ciliated. It is located in the respiratory tract like in trachea and bronchi, and its function is secretion and movement of mucus. Next type of epithelium is transitional epithelium, that is also called as urothelium. It is type of epithelium that has multiple layer and surface cells of it change shape depending on the stretch of the organ. It is located in urinary bladder, ureters and renal pelvis. Its function is to allow stretching and distension of the organ or cavity. Functions of epithelium. First function is protection, as epithelium protect against mechanical injury and pathogens and dehydrations. Second function is absorption, as there is a nutrient absorption in the intestine through epithelium that is present in intestine. Third function is secretion, as glandular epithelium produce enzymes, hormones and mucus. Fourth function is excretion, as the epithelium produce waste products that are removed in the kidney. Fifth function is sensation, as epithelium contains sensory nerve endings like taste buds and olfactory epithelium. Sixth function is exchange, as epithelium facilitates diffusion of gases and nutrients. Clinical significance. First is carcinomas, as most cancer arise from the epithelial cells like skin, lungs and from the digestive tract. Second significance is metaplasia, as reversible changes of one epithelial type may occur into another type under stress, for example, respiratory epithelium in smokers. Third significance is ulceration, as damage to epithelial lining may expose underlying tissue. Fourth significance is barrier function disorder, as defects of epithelium may lead to infection or dehydration. Conclusion of this lecture video. Epithelium is versatile and essential tissue that forms the body protective covering, lines, internal surfaces, and contributes to vital functions such as absorption, secretion, and sensation. The ability to regenerate rapidly and adapt to various environments highlights its importance in both normal physiology and pathology. And this was all about epithelium. Hopefully you liked the video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching.